Pick up your toys. Right here, Dion. Get your Batman. Pick it up. Pick up your Batman. No. Pick up your Batman. Go get your Batman. Take it to your room. Right there. No. Pick up your Batman. Behind you. Really? Pick up your Batman. What are you doing? Pick up your Batman. No. Pick up your Batman. Pick up your toy. Pick it up. Dion, what are you doing? Go get that. No. Go pick it up right there. Go pick up your toy. Dion, listen. Look at that. Go get that. Dion, go pick that up. Dude, you go pick up your toy behind you. Okay, go take that to your room. Okay. Alright. Now you can finish. You can sit down. Good boy. Okay. Making them stank faces for.
No.
Yeah, whatever. Go have a seat. Go sit down and go and watch a movie. What are you doing? Just sit down. Alright, good boy. I'll clean the rest up. Okay. I told him to go take his toys to his room. He just dropped it right in front of his door. And he good. That's it. But it's all good though. At least it's out of our room.